What's going on, family? Welcome back to another wonderful episode of Montego Baby's Jamaican Cuisine. Today what we're doing is one of my favorite dishes. As me say with all of my dishes them, cause I love food, you know, I go. But we're bringing it back all the way. You know, I've been doing a lot of lunch and dinner videos. So today I want to focus a little bit on some breakfast style videos, okay? Well, video at least. So what we're doing is basically my version a corned beef hash. See? But we're not gonna really do it with no beef, but we'll do it with this turkey. Right? And then we'll make the potatoes and put it inside of that. So it's just my spin on, you know, the corned beef. If people don't really like too much heavy corned beef all the while or the beef thing, you know, this can really be an interesting version where you guys can utilize and it still tastes wonderful. Alright? And we're gonna accompany that with, we're gonna accompany it with some carrot fritters. You know, my mom's recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So it's gonna be a really nice you know, video. Actually gonna have to cut it in 2 parts. That way we can show you guys how everything is done and prepared. Okay? So stay tuned with us and let's see what's going on. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut up a potato. So I kind of cut this 1, 2, 3, now 3, you know, cut this about 1, 2, 3 times. So what we're gonna do is try to cut them as small as possible, okay? And try to be mindful of your hands and cut them as small as you can. So see, right now we just kind of get it going. We're gonna cut it again after this to try to get them small. One thing with hash, if you ever buy the little can one before, you notice that them potato always small, you know what I mean? And it make it easier to, because the potato gets to cook out a lot quicker, okay? Because this thing now really take a long time to cook, especially with regards to the turkey. You understand? You know, growing up in Jamaica, we used to eating a lot of bully beef and, you know, bully beef and dumpling, bully beef and rice. You know what I mean? A couple years back, bully beef, them we have a problem. Like them when it contaminated or something like that, and you know, poison people and them things. So people when kind of stop eat bully beef at one point in Jamaica, you know, for them type of reasons there. So, you know, what me looking at this thing and say, boy, it's a childhood favorite. Why don't we come up with a version where we can actually enjoy and not have to depend on the can business? You understand? So this is something I, you know, put together. I'm sure I'm probably not the only one who thought this thing up. But you know, me just think about it, and you know, me usually get the corned beef hash. You know, when them usually send barrel come a yard, they have a couple of can of corned beef hash, and we always say, man, whoever create this thing ingenious, because it tastes really good. You have best of both worlds. You have your potato and you have your corned beef inside of that straight. Yeah? So, you know, like I said, just cut it as small as you can. You're probably not going to need a whole potato for this, because you notice when you cut it up small enough, it really, you know, it's a good amount. So, we're probably just going to use half of a potato. And this potato that I'm using, some, you know, we call it Irish potato. Yeah. In America, them call it the russet potato. Yeah? Alright? So, we cut it up as much as we need to. So, what we are going to do now, we'll kind of take it over to the stove and kind of get it going. And aside from that, what we are use right here, this is about a pound and change, you know, a turkey, minced turkey. And then what we are going to do, we have about a half, we have about a quarter actually of onion. We are going to grate the onion inside of that. See me I deal with. The rest of the stuff here are for your fritters. But you know, in the next part of this video, I'm kind of going to that and show you all them things and what's going to be inside that and how to make that scene. So right now, we just want to kind of get the hash going. And you know, we'll put a little piece of thyme inside of that to see them with. You know what I mean? So, right now, just give me a minute to show you what's going on the stove. Alright family, so we have a pot on the stove right now set on medium high. We put about 2 tablespoons of organic olive oil inside of that, and now we're gonna add our potato. Okay? get this going in the pot for a little bit. Probably make it fry out for probably about 2 minutes before we add in the meat. That's where we can get the potato kind of going before we add the meat in, right? You know, this is not a really hard dish to do. Really easy, and you know it kind of touch on a lot of different factors of what we used to in Jamaica. You know, say people are hard, they don't really use the minced turkey as much, but I mean it's a really interesting type of meat to use because it's very versatile. You understand? You can incorporate it in a lot of different dishes. So I suggest you guys try it out. If you don't like I eat too much beef all the while, this is a good replacement for the beef thing. You understand? Alright, so boy, my potato run out of the pot. Alright, so this thing kinda look good, yeah. So I do my add in. I go and add in the meat, you know, and then we can kinda put some seasoning to it. Because I don't put no seasoning to the meat yet. Normally I like to do that once the meats you know, start cook down a little bit. Then I add in my seasoning. So we add in with turkey right now. Fuck for that one there. Alright, you'll kind of mix this around. Make sure you break up the meat. So when it cooked down, you know, all clumped up. You understand? You want this thing to be in little small pieces. You understand? Just like how you know your bully beef look. Same say you want this thing to look. So make him you know, break him up and make him go. Make him look like how you want him look, straight. Just kind of break it up with a fork, you understand? And use a fork, it's kind of easier to break up this thing, eh? And kind of calm down, you know? Yeah. Calm down and ready to accept some other things. Alright? Alright, so that well scratch out right about now. What we do too, we kind of mix in the potato all over the meat, so you know, same well blended in. Okay. So now what we are gonna do, we are gonna add in the seasoning to this, and then we are gonna add a little water and cover him over for a little while. So let me get my seasoning. Get a teaspoon. We are gonna put about. I'll start off with about 1 teaspoon of salt, okay? 1 full teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of salt. You'll need about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Right? And then you'll need about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Chili pepper, I notice not really get a lot of spice, but the cayenne kind of get a little bit of a kick. You know, I use a full teaspoon, you don't have to. You can do a half. But since you're not going to really put no more type of spice in this thing, I go with a full teaspoon. You know, Jamaicans, them love them spice already, so I have some type of kick to this thing. Okay. Alright, now we are going to add in. I'll try to break up the thyme a little bit. And I really want all the heavy parts in it, just leaves. You understand? Kind of break it up like that. As much as you can in there. Yeah, I really need a whole lot still. Okay. I'll get a spoon and mix that in. Pretty sure we have to put a little bit more seasoning in this, but to just get it started for right now, You know, you just kind of kick it off with that. You understand? So normally when I do one at this point, add a little bit of water. Because you don't want this thing to cook dry, you understand? You want it to have some kind of looseness to it. So I'm going to put about, probably about a cup of water right about now. Yeah? Cup of water. And then we are going to cover this down. Once it starts to boil up, we are going to go so bam and give it about another 2 minutes. And then we taste and see what else we need. Right? So we cover it up and make it start boil up first. Alright, so this thing here boil up right now, family. So we'll kind of pull the top and kind of mix it round. Get back your fork so you can kind of break it up. Alright, thing here go almost now. Make sure you break up the meat like me say. You don't want it clump together. One thing with turkey, it love to clump together. Minced turkey meat love to clump together when you cook it. So try break out your fork and make you know, kind of mash it up as best as you can. That way no clump up too much. You see me? Alright, so look really good right about now. So what we are doing, we add a little finishing touches so we can make it go and cook out. Alright? Alright, so what we are going to do, we'll get to onion. Get a little piece of onion. And I have really use a whole heap of this. You probably will put maybe 2 tablespoons of onion. Get a grater. Kind of grater that in. The reason why I do this is because you don't want a whole heap of onion or chew pan in this thing. I mean, I can do it another way still, but I like this because it kind of blend in the onion flavor a bit better when you grate it inside. You understand? So, let me say, get about 2 tablespoons of onion in that. Straight. Put all that in there. All that good stuff. Alright. It's still the medium high, family. I really want to turn it down just yet. You understand? I will kind of dry out some of the water we add inside it. So, kind of blend in your onion. You just put inside of that. Mix it in. And then around this time I'm going to add a little bit of chicken bouillon. Get a little creaminess on the back end. You understand? Put about 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon inside of that. Just like that. Mix that in. Then you'll make this bubble. You'll make this kind of bubble in for about another 2 minutes. And then we'll kind of taste it and see what goes on. Alright, so give me a couple minutes. Alright, so this thing has been bubbling here for about 2 minutes and change. Everything kind of well blended in right now. Family, this has been on medium high all the way through, so I just wanted to point that out. And for the 2 minutes I was just cooking it for to get the bouillon blended in. That was all uncovered. Okay. So now we're gonna taste and see what's going on. Thing kinda come in and everything kinda look nice. And I really want a lot of water in this thing here. You know, just enough to make it a little creamy, you understand? Let me taste and see what I've got. For me personally, the salt level is good. Now we add about a teaspoon of salt and then the chicken bouillon. I really need more salt right about now. I mean, if you want to add more salt to your thing, you know, by all means, like me say, you know, every time when I do this thing, I always tell my viewers, you make it your own, you understand? But for me right now, I don't really need no more salt. Salt level is perfect for me. But probably I'll do is just cook this for another minute. And then we should be good to go. Turn it down to medium right now and leave it uncovered here for about another minute, and then this thing should be finished. Okay? Keep kind of mixing it. You can kind of break up the meat like I say. The flavor level is perfect for me right about now. Alright. Alright, perfect. This thing is well blended. This thing is cooked. Need not more. So I'm gonna run it for another minute and I get everything set. All your potato them already cooked out. It really take a long time because I cut them so small. We're pretty much good to go at this point, yeah? Alright. Let me give it one final taste and then we can get started with fritters. Perfect. Alright, so cover them up. And then turn off your heat. And let's get started with fritters.